How to set up 1-inch margin in Google Docs. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can set up 1-inch margin in Google Docs. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to set up the 1-inch margin on your Google Docs, you just need to follow the steps. Launch your Google Docs on your laptop or your personal computer. After that, you just need to head over to the file section at the top and go look for the option called page setup. Just go to the file section and click on the option called page setup. Just click on it, and here you'll be finding page setup option with different kind of options like pages, apply to whole document, orientation, landscape, and various other options as well. Since we're gonna make the margin to 1 inch, what we're gonna do is, you can see this margin section. We're just gonna select and change each of this top, bottom, left, right to 2.5. Just cross out the previous one. You can see one here. You're just gonna type in 2.54 on each of them. On top, bottom, left, and right. Just type in 2.54. 54 on each of them, and simply you just need to click on OK. After that is done, the 1-inch margin will be applied on your Google Docs very easily. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.